Hello everyone, my name is Joey. Welcome back to my channel, Joey Happy Place. Today we're gonna make kimchi. It's gonna take around 2 hours, then you have fresh kimchi. And if you leave it outside for a few days, you can have fermented kimchi. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna chop this napa cabbage in 4. Chop the end of it like this at the end. The root. Don't chop the leaf. All you need to do is spread it. Just like this. Now to the other side. And spread it again. Easy. Now we dip into cold water. If you have you use a sink at this point and just rinse it a little bit, put some water in it so the salt can stick in it. Now we're gonna put some salt. You can do it whichever side you want. I like to do from the outside first and then do that in the inside after. So I use salt, any salt. We put the salt on the white stalk part of the napa cabbage. Spread it to the leaves. Take your time. Repeat each step for each layers. The reason why we're doing this is so the salt can actually help drawing out the water from the napa cabbage so it can soften it. Later on you would notice that I have a lot of water coming out from the cabbage in the bucket. We're just keeping the bucket of the salt water and keep on turning them every 30 minutes so it can be fully softened. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the rest. Now we're done, so we're gonna put all of them in the same bucket and flip it every 30 minutes, and we're gonna wait for 2 hours. While we're waiting for it to be done, we're gonna make our porridge for our kimchi paste. Now for our porridge, we're gonna put on medium heat 2 cups of water, two tablespoons of glutinous rice flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, we're gonna mix them up. Remember to remove all the lumps. After 10 minutes, the porridge will be sticky and runny at the same time. When you see it happen, that means you're done, and you need to put it aside and let it cool down. While we're waiting for the porridge to cold, we need to flip the napa cabbage every half an hour. So it's time to flip mine. Like this. It's getting softer. Okay, I flipped mine and I'm just gonna put it aside. So I have a cup of onions. I just peel it. And then I'm gonna cut it in half. Put it in there, pop it in. 1 teaspoon of ginger, peeled, pop it in. Another onion. Then I put around like 20 garlic and pop it in. We put our cold down porridge. Cool down. Pour it in. Mint, garlic, onions, and ginger. You can, if you don't have the mixer, you can actually just chop it. It takes a little bit more time, but that would. So this is what the paste looks like after. Half a cup of fish sauce. You can get it in any Asian grocery store or even in Loblaws. Half a cup. Then a quarter of cup of shrimp paste. Well, it's called the Korean salted shrimp. I get it in the Korean grocery market. Then you take it out. Just like this. I like to squeeze out all the liquid first. Then we're gonna chop it up. Now we're gonna add hot chili pepper flakes. If you want like spicier version, you can have like 2 cups or even 3. For me, I'm not really, I don't think I can handle spice that much, so I'm just gonna put 1.5. It tastes just like kimchi. I think right now it's spicy enough for me, so I'm gonna stop at 1.5 cup. But if you think for yours is not spicy enough, you can add more hot red chili pepper flakes right now. It's time to flip it. So now we're gonna make our veggie to put in our kimchi paste. So 1 cup of radish, around this should be good. Then 1 cup of red carrots. I am going to use the baby carrots too, so it's gonna take a little bit more time to cut it, but it's okay. And then 1 cup of Asian chives. All of this been cleaned. So now let's start chopping. The radish give it a really unique sweetness of it. So we gotta cut it into a little slice right now, like this. After you cut it, just put it into your kimchi paste. Now the carrots.
As you can see, I chopped it really well. I only have like 1 big one and I have a lot of small little ones, baby carrots. So I need to chop it somehow. And I tried just chopping in half and chopping it thin. Yeah, it's very dangerous. I really don't recommend doing that at all. Yeah, I almost cut my hand, and it's really thick. After, it's gonna take a really long time. So I don't recommend this method at all. The second method is using the grater. Yeah, it's super dangerous. And like carrots turn out really watery. I really don't think you should do that either, because I almost break my fingers. So extra ingredients. So yeah, it's kind of watery after. So the best method is just smacking it. Smack it and chop it. It's thin, it's easy, it's safe. But of course, it will be flying carrot. Fly, fly away. Yep, it's really messy. But it's the safest way if you only have baby carrots. Yeah, it's the safest way to do it. I recommend just use the big carrot. Yeah, that's the easiest way. Now I'm chopping up the Asian chives. I like the smell, but a lot of people might think it's a little bit the acquiry smell. If you want to like change it up, you can actually just put green onions. You can do that. Now you give it a nice mix.
This is already really delicious, so good. You can just eat it like that. So now we're going to wash our napas. So it's so soft right now compared to 2 hours ago. It's so much softer. Now we want to rinse off all those salt. Like this. You don't want it to be too salty when you make your kimchi, so you want to wash a little bit of it. Rinse it well. And put it into the bucket. We cut this off. Cut a little slit right here. Same as before, we'll split them open. Like this. So a smaller piece. Now we're going to rinse it one more time. Just to make sure all those salt is gone. Clean it out. Now we're finished everything. The most excited part is here. We're gonna wear a glove. If you don't care about the coloring, then you don't need to wear it. I care. Jar, glass jar. Those are the best ones. Let's get started. Each of the leaves. Put some kimchi paste. Mush around to the leaf. From the stem to the leaves, like this. So good. Can't wait to eat this. Okay. Then you fold it. So it can ferment it better. And put it into the jar like this. We're done. Look at this jar of yumminess. We can We can eat it right now. It's called the fresh kimchi. Or you can just leave it in the fridge, you know, for like 2 more weeks until it totally fermented. I can't wait. So I make some rice and we're gonna dip into this right now. My preference, I like to tear it open little piece by little piece instead of like cutting them. Somehow I think it's tastier that way. This is good. Give it a tear. After I teared it, now I'm gonna add some sesame oil in there. It's so good. I really like fresh kimchi. It has different tastes. When you have fresh kimchi, it doesn't have the sourness of it. When you marinate it for like 2 weeks, the sourness starts coming, and that's the like traditional kimchi. This is so good.
If you like my kimchi recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let me know in the comment down below what other ingredients do you like to put in your kimchi. Enjoy! Thanks for watching! Subscribe!